We're listening to Japanese pop.
Ooh, I was gonna ask. What I was like, this could be Dionne Warwick, but it doesn't sound like it.
That is 1980s Japanese city pop.
Oh my
And
gosh.
that particular song, I think that's I actually can't remember her name, and it's in Japanese, so I
Send it to
don't
me
want to
later.
say.
I love that. It gave me
Listen,
some like 90s, 80s TV show vibes.
listen, it's real good. It's real good.
I'm into it. Paige, we're back. We're back.
We listen. They said they were gonna stop us, but they can't. They can't stop us.
We're back. We got one viewer. I think it's me. Um,
Am I connected still?
are you connected
I'm
to
pretty sure I'm connected.
Twitch?
Yeah, yeah, I am.
Yes.
I am. There I am. So handsome.
Um, we're back. This is we should probably tweet in a sec here.
I think we'll find a way to tweet.
We'll find a
I'm
way to
gonna.
tweet.
I'm gonna change us to science. I'm gonna change me to science and technology.
So on my other stream page, I don't know if I told you this, but on Mondays I've been live coding with you've tuned in for this with Lorena and Adrian.
It's
And
true.
we're building all the stuff that'll like do this automatically for us. Like
Yeah.
and I'm like, this is the bane of my existence at the start of these streams is like not being fully present and having to like tweet out all the things.
Exactly.
Um Okay, wait, should we? I'm thinking for the pick, should we like here. I'm gonna wait, this is getting
Hold on,
tricky.
because I'm on the wrong side.
Okay, I'm going to
Whoa.
Okay, are we posing?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Perfect. This is the marketing portion of the show where we
this is
take a thumbnail for Twitter and let
this is
people
the
know that we're
hard
doing
work.
this.
This is the work that they talk about in therapy. Is this?
So, how's your week been, my
It's
dude?
been a decent week. I feel like actually like a lot of people, I'm very tired, and I don't know what the deal is. But it's okay because like there's a lot of good stuff happening in my life too. I just feel good lately. At the same time as I'm feeling terribly stressed and insane. You know how it is. You know how
Yeah,
it is.
in a global Panera, you know.
In this, the panini.
Um, I realize that we haven't said what we're gonna do yet,
Oh,
but
it's
I'm
a
about to
mystery.
tweet it.
I figure you tweet it and then oh,
Okay,
I
I'm
have
gonna tweet
to.
it. Vamp while I'm tweeting this.
I have to log back into my regular Twitter account, which is funny.
Oh, that's right.
Uh,
No spoilies. Maybe open it in an incognito tab.
spoil. Well, I mean, you're not streaming me right now, are you?
Oh, I mean, so you can be in your Twitter account and the
And the
mystery
special, the mystery persons.
Twitter account. This will get very exciting in a second, folks, because we're gonna say what this mystery Twitter account is.
You know how?
Wait, did you get
What?
the handle yet? Don't say
Oh,
it.
I've got it all set up.
Oh, DM me what the handle is because I'll tag it in the
Oh snap!
freaking
Oh
tweet.
snap!
Oh, should
All
I?
right,
Should I wait?
hold on. No, tag it because then
Okay.
the people will be like, they're at it again. Oh man! Hold on, let me find it.
Come filled. Okay, no spoilies, no spoilies. I'm not gonna say it
No, you
out
can't.
loud.
Don't let them know that we know. All right. And I need to send it in the private chat. And this is quality. This is good. Rock and roll music.
Ooh. Ooh, yes. Wait,
Oh yeah.
why the number?
They gave me that. What I wanted apparently wasn't available.
I like it though because it looks like a E.
Yeah, it's like a backwards hat leaker E.
Wait, we can change it though.
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
Wait, I
For
won't
now,
tag it
that's
then.
what it
I won't
is.
tag it. I won't tag it.
Well,
Okay. But I'm gonna say, come build a blah 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 bot
yeah.
with me and PJ. How about a
Blah.
blah blah
Why
blah
were there
and we
three
tag the
blah blah
person?
blahs?
What if we
Are the
tag the person, they tune in?
they might. What
I'm
else do
gonna
they have
tag
going
them.
on?
Yeah.
Really? You know?
Here, I'm gonna tag them.
Ooh, child. Things are gonna get tweetier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, tomorrow's a good day on Twitter. If you don't follow the Gators Daily Twitter account, which was recently featured on what's his name? Oliver, what's his name? The funny guy. He's on Community, does the news. British.
Oh, that dude.
Yeah.
John Oliver?
John Oliver. John Oliver featured this Twitter account. It's Gators Daily, and they just tweet about Gators all the time. And on Fridays, it's Flat Fuck Friday, and it's a bunch of videos of these gators that are all flattened out on the ground and like sitting and being fat and happy. Oh, it's amazing, and there's like a fun song that goes along with it. It is the best Twitter account. It's my favorite Twitter account. He just tweets gator stuff and is like, "Look at this big boy."
I love it.
We should all try and be more like the Gator Daily. Oh man, oh man, that's right. Chloe is actually the Mars rover in human form,
I am. Did I land a
and
thing on Mars? I have a NASA hat. No, but I did get to go to a NASA launch
that's right.
pre-pandemic.
That's
Got
right.
to go to two NASA social events, and honestly, two of the coolest things. Because the first one, I got to see a launch. The second one, I got to go with two of my best BBs, Pink Rocket Ship, aka Bianca, and April, my coworker and BFF. Ooh, I'm having trouble picking a GIF. Ooh, we're being so
Ooh, it's always hard.
sneaky.
That's right. They don't even know.
They don't
The people
even
don't even know.
know. Okay,
Wolf
hold
Shirt
on.
talking about Louisiana folk and gators, and I'm from Florida. We know gators too, but Louisiana, y'all got crazier gators, craters.
Okay,
Craters.
I'm tweeting it.
Tweet it, and then I get to retweet
Oh wait,
it, and then
should I share the multi-stream thing or should I share?
the multi-stream for people who have hit whatever we are, advocate. No,
No, we don't need to.
no, because
Okay.
well, the multi-stream thing, it kills it for us. The multi-twitch doesn't
Oh,
work for us.
gotcha. Okay, I'm tweeting it. Okay, now we can talk about it. We can talk about it, fam. Okay,
Guys,
so
we only know how to make one type of thing.
we only build one thing. This show started as a show that PJ and I wanted to get rid of, but now we crave it every week because we love bots. Is this an episode of We Love Bots?
This is We Love Bots. Hold on. We're here. This is We Love Bots, and maybe you've heard of this show. Maybe this is your first time tuning in, but here on We Love Bots, Chloe, our co-host, tell us what you love.
Look, we love bots. I'm wearing this shirt today commemorating a bot that we've talked about on this show, which is the every Wikipedia article to the tune of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We, of course, famously on this show, birthed, re-Frankensteined, and published to Heroku, Shania Bot, our pride and joy. It is a bot
Baby.
on Twitter that every day, well, it used to every day at 9 a.m. tweet accidentally twice. Let's go, girls. It was double
She was
pleasure
very excited.
for about
very
a week.
excited.
And also at lunchtime. Oh, doesn't anymore though. Wait, did we add that? We might need to, if we want that Brad Pitt functionality, I think that was in the Logic app I just
Oh, that was in the Logic app. Oh,
Yeah.
we have to add that. Oh, we can add that.
We could do that.
Listen, I wrote non-cron code in my free time. Is this an episode of Cron Code?
This is an episode of Cron Code.
All right. Hey, welcome to Cron Code, everyone. When you've got code that you need to add time for, Chloe, what are they going to use?
They're going to use a cron job, Peach. They're going to use
That's
cron.
right. That's right. Thanks for coming to Cron Code.
Hi,
Signing off,
Daniel.
this is PJ.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. I think Shania Bot is secretly actually Chloe. You know what?
All AI. It's all
It's
AI.
all AI, especially when it talks to me. Okay, so we made Shania Bot. We got distracted.
That's right.
We made
This is our episode of I Love Bots.
PJ, I saw your pic on Twitter. We stand. Oh, yes, the
Oh,
crop
my
top.
my crop top. My
Yes,
end toxic masculinity crop top.
a beautiful top.
And I can
Um,
tell you where you can buy that, and the Twitter bots won't lie to you about where you can purchase it.
okay, PJ, I bought that shirt, the SpongeBob
Did
one.
you?
I wore it on cam with Daniel, and no one said anything about it.
You
Um,
bought a fake shirt based on your tweet.
I did because, so for anybody who doesn't know what I'm talking about, I recently learned that if you tweet something that goes semi-viral and people start commenting enough times, I want this on a shirt, bots will show up in your mentions and be like, here's the shirt. And they'll just put whatever image, like it's just all just a copy paste hack job thing. So yeah, no one said anything. I wore, so what ended up happening, y'all, is I made a fake image that said, it's that picture of SpongeBob that's like,
He's a
and it
chicken.
says like uh I tweeted something and from a shirt bot, and all I got was this T-shirt just to troll the bot. And truly, the I didn't want to give money to this company, but I'm trying to develop a talk around it, around like ethical bot
Ethical
making,
bot usage.
because it's such a terrible thing against artists and their original designs to like I hate that these things exist.
Yeah.
So I weirdly I offset it. I donated money to offset it to like
Okay.
bot research,
I
but
forgive you.
I did buy that shirt and no one commented. But we got distracted. Wait. People are
Listen,
tuning in. We made Shania bot. We
we
stand on the
did.
shoulders of Shania's because we're building
Shanias.
an Ariana Grande bot.
It's true.
Okay?
The rumors you've heard are all true.
We're building an Ariana Grande bot. The idea, I believe, and help us out in the chat if you have any feature requests or things to add. So much like Shania now tweets 9 a.m. Let's go, girls. Only once now.
We fixed it.
And now we're thinking a thank you next bot. Now, PJ, do you think this should be triggered? Is this something? Do we want Ariana Grande bot to do something regularly and to reply to thank you next things? What do you think we should do with
I
this
feel like
one?
the thank you the thank you next is probably the only functionality I can think of, because I can't think of what I need to hear Ariana Grande say every day.
Let us know in the chat. I just recently, so the reason this came about, y'all, I just recently became an Ariana Grande fan. I love the new album. I watched the documentary. The documentary. It's more of a filmed concert, really, on Netflix. And I was like, I get it. Okay. I did not like Ariana Grande before, but I'm like, this woman works hard. She's doing the
Yeah.
choreography. She's
Yes.
doing the costume changes.
Yeah.
She's making it look flawless.
She's got the bunny ears.
She's got the bunny ears. She was
She
on
loved Pete
Nickelodeon.
Davidson. Her
I
Nickelodeon character was strange, I remember, right? Like she was always
I
doing something with feet.
that's more of a Dan Schneider thing. We won't talk about Dan Schneider on this show. That's a pod for another day. But Ariana Grande, okay, let's look at her song catalog.
I know a couple of them.
Okay, I know Thank You Next. I know 3439.
There's one where she's like, the music video is her on like a spin bike, and she's like
Oh yeah,
slamming her hair all over the
Side to
place.
Side. Okay.
Is that what that is?
Ariana Grande. Seven Ring.
Seven
Oh
rings, and
yeah.
I know she has the accidental Japanese barbecue tattoo that was supposed to say seven rings.
Oh, is that?
She
Wow.
went to get seven rings in Japanese tattooed on her hand, but someone translated it literally, and somehow seven rings actually became like small barbecue, like small round barbecue.
God is
God
a
is a woman.
woman.
That's a song.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, here, I've got a bunch of them. Side to Side,
Mm,
Into You,
mm,
Problem,
mm.
Break Free, Dangerous Woman. Let's see. Last Christmas. No.
What? No, I'm good.
Beauty
There's
and the
one version of that
Beast.
song.
Into You.
One taught her love.
Okay, so does the bot, do we have it where you tag Ariana and you say thank you and she says next? Like what are we thinking
I was thinking it would be kind of like almost like a secret. Like you have
Okay.
to know, right? It's like
Okay.
with Shania Bot, you have to know she gonna do it, and she'll do it.
Right.
So I was thinking if you use an eye roll emoji,
Yeah.
like if you tag her and go eye roll, and like it sees that, it replies, "Thank you next."
Bye, Callie. Thanks for
Have a good one,
joining.
Kelly. I know school been crazy. School's been crazy for you, so good luck. It's worth it. You can do it.
God is a woman. Okay, yes. So eye roll if you tag. Okay, yes, I love this.
This is
So instead of
also
impress, it'll be an eye roll emoji.
It's also challenging because there's several different eye roll emojis. I imagine doesn't Twitter
Ooh.
automatically use like Twitter's emojis?
I feel like we should use the three should be side looking eyes. Here, I'll type them in the
Is there
chat.
not an eye roll emoji?
There is, there is. Here, I'll put them in the chat. So side eyes, it's all the same in Unicode. Yeah.
That's what I figured.
Eye roll, except eye
Well,
roll, you
that's what
can't
I
see
hoped rather that it would all be the same in Unicode.
eye roll. And then side eye, like, okay, I'm gonna just put these in the
Ooh,
chat.
y'all, LG's eye roll is weird. You guys know
I'm gonna show your
Emojipedia?
screen. Can I show your
Yeah, show
screen?
it. You can show my screen. Like all these eye rolls, like Apple, it's all eye roll. I'm like, yep, this is an eye roll. This is an eye roll. I get it. I'm in. I'm in. LG looks like they're looking up at a giant and they're scared.
Okay, so here's a true story. We're gonna go back in the time capsule of Chloe 5 years ago. So I've
Yes,
been
go
dating my
back.
boyfriend for 5 years. He is an Android dev. And when I started dating him, I was an iPhone girl through and through, okay? Like iPhone everything my whole life. I ended up
Ooh.
switching to Android probably about like 9 months, maybe a year into our relationship because I was like, I'm dating this Android guy. I gotta get on the Android train. And I was shocked to my very core when I opened up my phone and started using emojis and went, oh my gosh, this is what you've been seeing. I was like, I am shocked we are still together because the translation issues here, like I was sending you this emoji, which looks like this on an iPhone, and you like just
Wow,
very common emojis that like I feel like had completely different meaning. It was like a whole nother language to me. I was shocked that this man
that's
continued
awesome.
to date me with the difference in emojis. The
Oh,
Android ones are different. They're blobs.
the classic Samsung angry face.
Okay, I'm
I
putting
love it.
these in the chat. These are the emojis that I think we should have them trigger off of. The
Okay,
side, the two eyes,
got it.
the eye roll up,
Mm-hmm.
and the like look to the side. Like, is there
So
any
we
emoji we're missing that should be part of it? I think.
the nails.
Oh yeah,
The nails is
the
because
nails.
that's very much like I don't quite know emojis like you do. Like you definitely have a great command of emoji language, and I don't.
What about this one? The like closed. There's an open eyes and a closed eyes, flat mouth face.
Maybe that. Are you still sharing my screen?
Yes, I'm
I just wanted
gonna.
to check. So if you're celebrating Guy Fawkes Day, here's a list of emojis that you could use: bomb, Ferris wheel, fire, firecracker, performing arts, and crown.
What about? Wait, what was the one that we just? Oh, the face. What about this one?
I can't see.
Thank you next. Like the thinking with the like,
Sure. Yeah. I'm about to do this. Okay. Nails is genius. Kiwi Kame. Thank you. Thank you.
woman tipping hat on Apple.
Oof.
Okay, how about this one? Uh, isn't there also a raised eyebrow one?
Raised eyebrows.
Okay, wait. I'm realizing you can't see what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna put them in the chat like a lunatic.
There. Yeah. No, I see him in the chat now. You've
But I'm
been like
putting
actually
more.
putting them in the chat.
Yeah, literal
So
chat.
I've
So
been
I want everyone to see them.
in my messing around chat is one viewer and there's me. And the only thing that's happening in the chat
Well,
is
no, it's me. They're watching this show.
side eye, eye roll, and
They're
frowny face in the
watching
nips.
this
I
show.
wait.
If
I
they're
did.
watching.
I didn't realize that, but I know
Okay,
now.
what about these? Oh yeah, the one that Adrian just did too. The like, hmm?
You know the emoji.
I honestly, when I type in certain emojis, I kind of like I don't do the face, but I kind of do the like, like it
You
was
do
like
like
the.
a little like noise. Oh. Man,
Oh,
I'm
sleepy
wondering
one.
if it should be a certain emoji combination. Because if it's
Mm.
any of these, if it's like all these emojis, I'm trying to think of a way to do it where we don't have to like iterate and check through the emojis. You know what I mean?
How about I think nails side eye could be interesting. Or like, wait,
Like,
what would it be? Side eye nails?
I think side eye nails because it's away.
Yeah. Let's
But it's
see.
painting. You shouldn't be looking away from your nails while you're painting.
Well, you're like, oh, what girl? Yeah, I'm listening. It's like you're getting the manny and you're like, uh-huh, yeah. It's like on Drag Race when you're like brushing out the wig, but like trying to listen
Oh,
in
but
on
you're
what the
like
other
looking
girls are
over to
doing.
try and see what she's up to.
Okay, how about what I just put in the chat? Wait, I'm gonna put it both ways. This
All
or
right.
this? Vote.
Okay.
Everybody vote.
It's got to be the first one. It has
I
to be
think
the
it's the
first one
first
because
one.
the
'Cause
other one
then...
looks like you're watching someone do their nails with like interest. Yeah,
Okay. So
Adrian
you
knows
have to
what's up.
tag Ariana. So only the people on this stream and secret Patreon
Listen,
members. We don't even have a Patreon, okay?
but
Just you.
that's how secret they are.
It's just top secret, okay? Well, no. This is a bot for the people, made by the
If
people for
you
the people.
if you tell people, I don't even know what'll happen. I can't even consider it.
I think our Heroku bill will get very big.
That's what'll happen. Oh man, that's right. We have to deploy her to Heroku too. Can I put her in
Okay.
a different Dynamo?
Uh, okay. Are you y'all, also we need to come up with a name for this account, which right now it's the Ariana Grande 9.
But the name is the Ariana Grande bot.
No, but we gotta get a
But it's
good
not the at.
handle.
The at's bad.
Let's change it. Let's change it to
All
like
right. Let's
Ariana
get
Grande
in there.
Bot or like Ariana Bot Gray or
The big, the
Bodiana
big,
Grande.
the big Ariana bot.
Bot, thank you, Bot.
Thank you, bot. Damn, that's a good one.
And we could try it with a U. We could try it with a YOU. We could try it with a THNXU bot or thank you
T.
BAWT.
Bot. Thank you,
Bodiana
bot.
Grande is pretty funny. I agree.
Yeah.
I like the idea of it starting with Ariana because maybe it'll come up in search results if people are typing in Ariana Grande, but I feel like there's probably so many Ariana Grande standing
There's
around.
got to be a million, you know?
Okay.
Username. Thank you, bot. Thank you, bot has been taken.
How about Bodiana Grande?
Bodiana Grande is available, but hold on.
Okay.
Does it need to be BODY?
Wait. Or
Or like
BOTIANA. Bodiana.
hold on. Oh, I typed this. I put it in the private chat.
Hold on. Bodiana. Okay, y'all. It's a stretch. Wait, see if Bodiana spelled like Ariana is available because I think Bodiana Grande is actually really good. BOTYANA.
Like the body,
I'm
Anna.
serving Bodiati Yande
I'm
Grande.
serving body, Ariana. BOTIA bot Iana Grande is available, and that's really, really good.
I think
Again,
we should do it.
I was hearing
Bodiana.
Bodiana, like she's got the body, and
It's like when my friend's dad gave me a Christmas present, and instead of to Chloe, it said to KLOY, and the whole time that he had known me, he thought my name was Chloe,
Chloe.
and I lived with these people.
When Adrian was on the stream, and I kept hearing you guys say .m instead of .env,
Oh
I was like,
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know what dot M is.
Wait, did we get it? Did
Hello.
we get Badiana Grande?
Bot Tiana Grande is available, and it might be the thing that makes this all happen real good.
Okay, when you get it, let me know and I'll link it in the chat for everyone
You're
to follow.
you're good. Listen, like I'm gonna drop the URL in the private chat, and you're gonna take it and you're
Honestly,
gonna copy
as soon
it.
as you told me it was available, I'm not joking. In my head, I just heard, "We need a higher love." Like that's like my celebrations.
That's your celebration song. Is Steve Winwood?
Okay, Badiana Grande, everybody go follow it. Serving that
Hello.
body yada yada.
I need to add code to it.
Okay, I
I need
followed
to.
it. Thank
We
you
need to make.
next for all your reply needs. This is great.
Yep.
We need a
She
cover
was a fembot. That's
photo.
right. She was a fembot. We do need to cover. Oh wait, do you want to do that cover photo we thought about doing before we got on stream?
I can do that. I can do that. While you're okay, let me share your VS Code
Let
stuff.
me copy my keys somewhere real quick.
Yes. So if you're just joining us, we just got the handle Badiana Grande. See, do I tweet it? I feel like
Do you
I want
tweet what?
well, because
Oh,
people
you
aren't
want it
gonna
to be a
know how to
secret?
use it. Well, it's not gonna be a secret. Like I
It
want
should
people
be
to
a
follow it.
secret. No, don't tell nobody.
People will only know from this video.
We listen. We have to pretend like it's a big. Because if we listen, they don't know. Come to the side here for a secret.
Okay.
Okay, so like the people in our chat,
Hmm.
they like if we pretend like we don't want them to do something, they're gonna go do it.
Okay.
Like if we're like, listen, this is super secret, it's just for you, but you can't tell anybody. They're all gonna tell their best friends,
Okay.
and they're all gonna be like, yeah, like they said not to tell, but I can tell you. But she's really gossipy, and like she'll tell everyone too. So like that's our secret. That's what's gonna work.
Oh my
All
God.
right.
As long as we don't actually share our secrets,
We
like
can't.
share
Yeah,
our keys.
they can't. They can't know that. They can't know our keys.
Okay, but everyone, like, here's the deal. We're building the spot for you.
Yeah.
And if the word gets out, which it will because we will be uploading this to YouTube slash I'm streaming it to YouTube presently,
Everyone can see it, but listen, it's just for you
it's
guys.
just for you. So you have to watch the entire video. First of all,
Yeah.
you won't even know what emojis to use because you have to like go look. This is for the people. Okay? Okay. Okay.
We're going to make another bot, and that bot's going to tell you how to use this bot.
Yeah. It's all like kind of very like national treasure.
It's
Okay.
very cool, is what it is. Okay, back to the stream. Okay. Hey guys, what's up?
Hey. Okay.
Sorry, that was
So,
such a long ad break.
but if you're just joining us, we're building Ariana Badiana Grande.
Badiana.
I am currently going to work, as we know from the show, graphic design is my passion. I'm going to be using
100%.
face in a hole to make our cover photo.
This is gonna. I
Actually,
wonder how
no,
Face in a Hole's gonna go.
I'm going to
That's gonna be
use,
good.
no, because we want Ari's face, but we want our,
We want our like page.
right,
So,
but there's
how
no,
about
yeah,
we have to upload the regular picture
you're
first,
right, you're right, you're right.
and then screenshot that.
I'll do that. No, you have to do that because you have the
I
account.
have to do it. Oh, I have the account. That's true. You can just go to it and you can screenshot it. Just look at the account. You can.
But you have to upload
Oh, but
it
I have to
to
upload.
the
Oh
thing.
crap! I've got so much to do.
No,
I
you're
have so much
fine.
on
You're
my plate
fine.
now. So much on my
Okay,
plate.
so we're building Ariana Badiana Grande with the base code of Shania bot.
Yep.
If you I should provide a little linky link here in a sec. But yeah, we're gonna basically be making it's top secret bot that if you know the special code,
The secret
you will
word.
be able to use the spot. This is why we make this content.
This
So
is again. This is super secret Patreon platinum level subscriber stuff.
yeah, and the reason we're not showing you code right now is we're getting all our keys and whatnot set
That's
up.
right.
In the
We've learned our
meantime,
lesson.
I have another bot idea that I would like to bring forth to the bot council, Your Honor. My honor.
Approach the bench.
Thank you, my honor. Okay, so I have a Britney bot that I want to build because I just watched the Britney Spears documentary. PJ, we were talking before the stream, and you're like, I'm scared to watch it, that I'll get sad. I don't think you'll get sad. I actually think
Okay.
you'll feel really empowered. You'll be like, this is sad, but we need to do better. and like save and free Britney.
Ooh, that's like already how I feel, but it's just gonna heighten that, I think.
But I love Britney. I want to free Britney. I have so many questions about the Vegas residency marketing stunt thing. So confused. Would love people's conspiracy theory thoughts on that. I think it was a public statement to her father. Anyway, if you watch the show, you know.
Oof.
But I want to build an It's Britney bot. And I think I'm going to build this with Logic Apps, and I may even do it, PJ, while you're doing this. So we'll share your code on
Girl.
here, and I may just like spin up a really quick Logic app and build my It's Britney bot live on the air.
Wow. Live in front of God and everyone.
Yeah.
That's pretty rad. I think that'd be
Um,
cool. Now,
so,
my quick question, because I'm a silly boy and I'm trying to figure out how to do this, and for some reason can't think how. I wanted to fork my own code on my own code on GitHub, but I don't know how to do that
oh,
because I was like, I just want to make like a separate project with all the same stuff basically.
yeah.
And then I was like, what if I just get on Visual? I can't think how to make this code its own thing.
Yeah, just clone it. You can
Just
just
clone
clone
it.
the repo
Okay. And
locally
just like
or
save it in a different place.
okay. Does anybody
Thank
watch the
you.
Britney doc? And if you did, let me know. I want Britney to be free,
Right?
and I'm going to build a bot to commemorate her being free. I've learned a lot about conservatorships in the last week, thanks to all the Google News alerts I've been getting about Britney Spears. Now that I've gone down every Britney Spears rabbit hole that I can go down. Okay. Ooh, I need to be. Oh, thank you so much, BD Jeffy P, for the subscription. Welcome to the
Oh,
party.
congratulations.
Welcome to the. This
Soft
must be
Taco
a.
Raider. Soft Taco Raider just subscribed to me and I didn't catch it because I'm so busy on my other screen. Thank you,
Oh
Soft
my
Taco
gosh, we've just
Raider.
been so involved in getting
Y'all,
Ariana Grande. But I keep saying Badiana, but meaning Batiana. Badiana.
Batiana.
Batiana.
Batiana. The freshest Batiana out of the Trevi fountain.
But we will be sharing our screens shortly. We're just getting all our
Mm-hmm.
keys and
Mm-hmm.
whatnot set
Okay, I've
up so we don't share.
got.
We've been burned before. We're not going to share our Twitter keys with you on accident.
Can we talk about how burned we've been before?
We've
Okay.
burned.
We've. So why don't you burn? I need to rename this dang file. And I'm going to rename it Ariana.js. And now we've got the environment. I just need to change those keys real quick. And then, man, I'm pretty sure we'll be good.
I'm so excited. I am just getting everything ready to simultaneously build It's Britney bot. Ooh, I'll also have to make a Twitter account for that. So I'll do that while we're
You can build the code. All you need to do is get, the keys and stuff later.
yeah.
Oof.
Ooh, I got to think of a good name for that one.
I think it's Britney Bot is real good. I gotta be honest.
Yeah.
It's really good. All right. Let me go into my code. I am officially key free,
Okay.
so I should be good. I just need to actually share my screen again because I stopped doing that. Key free since 1993. Update the NPM scripts. Yes, thank you for the reminder, Adrian. Let me go into. Man, let's go ahead and control, find, and replace Shania with Ariana.
I should also share that as far as It's Britney bot is concerned, I remembered the name of it, PJ, the open source project that you can check out that was part of the hackathon project at Sentry, where we would open the door, like we would unlock the door with our phones, and whatever theme music we wanted to play is called Strut. It's open source. It's out there. You can check it out. And my entrance music was is Brittany, bitch. So like every time I entered the office, it played that, and I miss it every day. Oops, I bought it again. That is good. Soft Taco Raider. I like that. Just have Twitter mail you the keys. Yeah, no kidding. Okay, I'm getting some links ready for folks. We're getting things
Mm-hmm. This is
up
gonna
and
be good,
running. This is gonna be so good.
y'all. And we just have to. It's funny. We're all like, "Oh, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna go great." And I know we're gonna get in here and be like,
We're gonna run
"Wait,
into
how do we do this?
something
Wait, how do we do
wild.
this?" Soft Taco Raider with "Bought Me Baby" one more time,
That's great.
and "Oops, I bought it again."
How about from the bottom of my broken heart,
Wow,
deep
deep
cut.
cuts.
Remember Soda Pop? That was a
Was
weird
that a song
song.
of hers?
Yeah, it was like really weird. It just had these guys that were like, "It's the Soda Pop. Burp, 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 burp. The clock is ticking and you can't stop." And she's like, "Can't stop now.
Oh, soda pop.
It's Soda Pop."
I remember I was in the ninth grade in 1999, which I think was when Britney was like hitting her early zenith
Okay.
before stuff got like adult and sassy.
I remember where I was when I heard "Hit Me, Baby, One More Time." Like,
Oh yeah.
I was at an ice skating rink and a girl was doing a routine to it, and I was like, "Mom, stop. What is this song?
Mother.
What is this song?" And she's like, "I don't know. We can ask like the DJ." And I was like, "We need the name of this song." It was a cultural reset. It was a cultural reset. She was a large part of our lives. That's what I realized from watching this documentary. PJ, you got to watch it. It's
I
homework.
mean,
And
it's
hopefully
true.
still is. Amen. Amen. Okay, wait, but you were in.
So I was in the ninth grade, and at my school we used to have a morning news segment called Channel One News.
Okay.
And I don't know if anyone else had this, but they broadcasted all over the nation, and it'd be like news for teens. And
Was it
one of the
specific to your school, or this was
no,
like
it was the whole like it was to a
Oh,
bunch of
Lisa
schools.
Ling. Okay, this sounds kind of familiar.
So what happened one time? I think there was a big deal where they were like debuting a Britney Spears commercial on Channel One News or something. And it
Okay.
was like a Britney. They were going to be talking about the Britney Spears, I think, Pepsi commercial, and it was going to show on Channel One News, and everyone was super stoked. All the guys in all the classes were like really excited for it, and I remember being like, "This is stupid. I hate Britney Spears," because it was 1999, 2000, and I was into punk, and I hated anything that
Oh.
was popular. And I just immediately was always like, "That's stupid. I hate her. She's just dumb." And I remember hating her and like all the female singers. And like when I look back, I'm like, "Oh my god! Like why was I such a little like jerk about everything? Like who the hell cared?" And they're all amazing, and I love them now, and I like legitimately enjoy it now. But I was a terrible 13-year-old. Is the moral of that story? Moral of the story: 13-year-old boys have bad opinions.
Why were you so hateful?
Listen, I made it like my central
Adrian says he is
personality.
not a fan of freshman PJ. Shots fired. Wait,
No,
play the shade rattle. Play the shade. We need a
I
shade
don't
rattle
have the
sound.
shade rattle available. I gotta pull it up.
Okay, it'll be worth
Shade
it. It'll
rattle.
be reworked.
Yeah, listen, this is gonna be great when it happens, guys. You're actually gonna be like, "Oh my god, that was perfect."
Wow. Ooh, to answer your question, what are we using for the highlighting messages? It's StreamYard. We're just using StreamYard for this. Yeah. Graphic design is our passion.
Chloe is fancy.
Yeah, Chloe Condon. I like it. See,
It's
maybe I'd go with CLOY, but I think it works. Okay,
um.
I'm getting a
Oh,
link for y'all.
you know what I could show off is I could show off what makes Shania do the thing that we programmed her to
Oh
do.
yeah, do you want me to show your
Yeah, you
screen?
can go ahead and share.
There you go.
I'm in the Ariana code, but right now it's all the same except for the console log at the top. And the console log at the top now is going to be one taught me patience. Okay.
Stop. That's so good.
I'm here, y'all.
And then in different
ready
parts
to
of
be
our
hired.
code, we can console log different things. Yeah,
Yeah, we can
perfect.
do different parts of that same song. One taught me love, one taught me patience. Um,
Chloe.
Chloe. So, this is my cron, not cron job. It's using node schedule suggested by Brendan O'Leary. And basically, I create an object here, schedule that requires node schedule. I did the npm and everything. I create a rule for recurrence because this is something in the docs. They're like, if you want to do something that happens all the time, you make a recurrence rule, and then I'm going to pass that in later, and I'll show you where. It's really simple to set the hour and to set the time zone. There's no guessing. You say this time zone, this hour. It can go minute, second. It's really easy, and you can even make it recur on specific days, months. It took me a while to work with it, and I got a lot of people on Twitter that were really helping because I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. And Adrian and Brendan and a bunch of people showed up and were like,
comment, Bob Loblaw's cron job. That is exactly what it is. Yeah. Oh my gosh, and also Adrian said 201 taught me patience. That's so good.
oh, wow.
Yes, and this is BD Jeff EP. This is branching off the Shania bot. We're basically just reusing the code, but we're going to be using emojis instead. Well, we do have emoji combos. Wait, did we get that working?
Yeah,
we did. Okay.
That just shows up at the beginning.
Yeah. Okay.
So what I did is I then went down and I created a job function that takes in a rule and has a nameless function inside of it. I think, if I'm saying this right, I'm pretty sure this is what I'm doing because it's not an object. It's a function. Okay, so yeah, here's the function. I called it job1. Inside, it logs to the console the opening guitar riff. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. And then it says, let's go girls. And that's how you know it's going to post a status of let's go girls. And then I got myself a little confused here. And it works, but something that doesn't happen is this never happens. This console log never happens when I run it.
Wait, hold on. Let me zoom in a little bit.
Wait,
we went girls?
Yeah, we went girls never shows up for me.
Is it because we have to do... Wait, hold on. Why would that not run? Because we're running the function. Wouldn't we have to run that within the function?
So here I pass this function, let's go girls, into job1.on. So I pass it into the event emitter because job is an event technically.
But is anything calling it? Job1.
I thought because job1 was calling it here. But it doesn't return anything.
Oh.
Void.
Okay.
Maybe? So, I don't know. But I'll make that work another time. But this, I just wanted to explain how I got it to work because when it actually worked, I freaked out and stopped working on it.
And, okay. So now, is this the cloned version that we have?
Yeah, this is the cloned version. We're looking at all the Ariana over here.
Okay, but we're in Let's Go Girls. We should rename it Thank You next.
And that's what I got when I cloned it.
So maybe right click on.
Can I just go into like my folder because I've got the folder Ariana Grande.
I'm scared. I unshared your screen.
I know. I get it. It makes sense.
Let's see. Is the tweeted event happening? Adrian asked.
The tweeted event? I have no idea. That's the only way, because if I... here, you can share my screen again. If I take this out, job1 is never called. So I do this, job1 is now called, and job1 happens with this event emitter. Like, job1's an event emitter. This makes it happen.
Right, but what is tweet it?
I just made it up. I don't know where it's supposed to come from because up here, stream.on to make ShaniaBot go was just tweet, and I couldn't find that anywhere else other than like just the word tweet written places, you know.
Right. I think tweet is part of the API, right?
Is it?
Is it? Hold on. Tweet
it. It's just a string.
What is tweet it? Well, the tweet
I
event is part of the API. Yeah.
The tweet event is part of the API, but the tweet event is the function right here that we
Stream dot
created.
on tweet event. What is that tweet?
So that's a string, but it's just the name of the event, right?
But what's tweeted?
That's the name of this event.
Oh, we just named it that.
I just named it that, yeah.
The string refers to the event to actually run on the scheduler, right?
I
BD
think
Jeff
so.
EP
I don't know.
says.
I don't use it anywhere else. I
The
don't use
twit
this
library
string.
is emitting that event. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. I still don't. Why is it not running then?
Right?
Or
That's
not?
why I was. I don't know. I don't
Let's
know.
see. Hold on. Let's tweet. I'm not sure what's emitting tweet it, Adrian says.
Me
Same.
either.
Same.
It's witchcraft, guys.
So what is, yeah, I don't think anything is emitting it. Tweet it. Let's go, girls. Job one. What? You're listening for tweet it. That's why the Let's Go Girls isn't running.
But this is running. This happens.
Job one?
Job one happens, guys. Yeah.
But does it happen earlier?
What do you mean
Let's-
earlier?
Like, there, job one, constant job one.
Oh no! Look! Because if you'll watch when I comment that out, this goes, "Hey, you've declared it, but its value's never read."
What?
And the only way I got it to actually work is to do that, and I don't know why it works.
What the heck is this witchcraft?
This Ariana Grandebot building is going very well.
Okay, let's just get rid of that. Wait, no, let's not get rid of it. Fuck,
No,
let's just
this-
replace everything with Ariana slang.
So we don't need
Job
cron
one is
job.
running the callback, but not the Let's Go Girls.
Sure.
Adrian says, work on Ariana. We are!
Kind of. Look, you know what we don't need? We don't need the Bob Loblaw cron job right now. Not for Ariana.
That's
We
true,
don't.
that's true.
Out of here.
Okay,
Get
I'm
going.
also, while PJ is coding this, I am in a race against the clock, creating its Britney bot in the background. So, I believe, I'm going to challenge myself. I think I've made enough logic apps at this point that I can whip up Britney bot while we do this. Like, with my hand tied behind my back. We'll see.
Can you whip up the bot?
Let's spot it up. Okay, but wait.
What?
Why? We need to figure out what the heck is going on with that code.
We'll figure. That's another string.
Yeah, that's another
Figure
thing.
out how PJ like duct taped and like orphan wished the code to work. That's a whole nother thing.
Meanwhile, I'm logging into twitter.com and making another account. It's Britney bot. Hopefully isn't taken. We'll see.
Let
Manage accounts.
We should start putting music on the stream.
We should.
our
I don't
downtime.
really. What's the best way to do that? Like I have a.
I do
have
it with
a
OBS.
subscription.
To
Okay.
what?
Here, I can do it right now. I have a subscription to Epidemic Music or whatever.
I know bands that let people stream their music.
Oh.
That they've said you can use it on streams, no problem.
Adrian says I need loop back. The Mac won't do it. But if I have it opened in a tab on StreamYard, I think maybe.
Ooh, what if I share my screen and share sound?
Yeah.
Will
Wait.
StreamYard pick it up?
Okay. We're good.
Recursion is fun.
We're good. I just my heart.
I
Every
know.
time.
See, BD Jeffy P loved it. They thought it was fun.
Okay, I'm making a new Twitter account, which is kind of annoying because if anybody. Okay, here we go. Manage accounts. No, I want to make a new account. Twitter.com.
Oh, and also I can't because if I share everything, it'll literally share your voice again.
Yeah.
I could share it from like if I was sharing my screen and a tab, but then all they would see is the YouTube video of me sharing it. I could just hold on. I'm gonna just play it over here out of my laptop next to me, and y'all will hear it through the microphone. It's gonna sound good.
I wonder if Twitter's gonna get mad at me for having too many Twitter accounts with this phone number.
No, they would love it. It makes them
Okay,
happy.
good. I think if Andy's tuning in, probably.
Yeah. Come on, you got our back on this, Andy. Please.
Yeah. Customize your experience. Sign up. Verify your phone. Okay. You guys, I think Grandebot was available.
Grandebot lives.
Let's see. Let me type
I
in my
live,
code.
bitch.
0. What is that from?
I live, bitch.
Yeah.
I
Isn't that
don't
from
know what it's
something?
actually from. I know it from the internet.
Let's see. Let me make a secure password for Brittany.
Don't do that.
Okay. Should I share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. So really, we're just gonna make it... Like, really, we're just
Uh-huh.
replacing emojis in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just making a new Brittany bot account. It's
Okay.
Brittany bot. I got a COVID test today, y'all. It was very exciting.
How was that? Was it a brain tickle?
It was. You know, it was the second one I've ever gotten during this global Panera. And the first one that I got was early in the core, and it went up there. Or it didn't. I was like, this is nothing. I was like, that was it.
Why is everyone complaining?
And then this time I was like, ugh. I was like, okay. Got it. Yeah, but it was, I went to a mobile testing site. Very exciting. Ooh, I think I did get It's Brittany bot. Let's see.
That's pretty awesome.
It's me. Your bio. It is me.
Your bio, it is me.
The bot.
I am the bot.
Skip
I
for
am the
now. Skip for now. Okay, did I get the moment of truth? Did I get the handle? It's Brittany bot. It's Brittany bot 1. Oh man.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna change it.
Go delete the one and just see if it's available. Cause
Yeah, that's not on it. On it.
All right, I need to remember how to the original way that we were gonna do Shania bot, which was an array of things that they might say, and checking if it matches.
But now we only need 1, right?
Right. Oh, that's right, because we're only doing the one thing. It has to be side eye. Okay, that's much easier.
Yeah. Wait, where do I change the name? Under settings? Your account. Change your password. No.
Let
PJ, how did you change the name on your Twitter account?
Settings. Yeah, there's like settings and then like the first option. Let me look through it again.
I'm under. Wait, don't share your screen.
I'm on my other
Okay.
computer. I'm smart about it now. I'm a smart boy.
Additional resources?
More settings and privacy. Your account information. And then you just have to enter your password to get to it.
Ah, gotcha. That's what I was missing. Thank
Okay. You know what I'm about to do? Yeah, that's safe. I'm about to look up the eyes emoji Unicode.
Yes. I think it's side-eye, maybe?
It's just called eyes. Who uses eyes emoji? It's great for situations that involve drama, especially when the person using it is very much enjoying it. We should do a dramatic reading of this. For example, a Twitter user might upload a screenshot of a heated situation where strong words are exchanged and caption it with the eyes emoji. I've got a good voice, guys. Hire me for the voice.
I immediately... Crap. I think I just locked myself out of my own bot, y'all.
Oh,
I don't know. The talent that was involved to do this is incredible.
what?
Wait,
Some of the
what?
eyes emojis are terrifying. Emoji Dex has anime eyes.
Okay.
Okay, so if I was going to do using Unicode in strings
Oops.
in Node.js.
It's Brittany bot.
Learn what emojis are made of. Unicode is what they say. Fetch. Track character set.
Y'all, I just made the account and I already got locked out of it. And I'm
You put the wrong
already
password?
recovering my password.
That's right.
This
Listen,
is how my life's going.
this is good rock and roll music.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. What?
Using /u. And then
I'm back in.
I'm in.
I'm back in the thing that I created the password for and immediately forgot.
Nails. Nail polish. Oh man. Is it different Unicode depending on the skin tone?
Oh. Maybe we just do the basic
Let me
yellow
see.
base.
1F485. 1F485. No, it's all the same. It's all the same Unicode. 1F485. Yeah. It's all the same Unicode. Good.
Okay.
That was a little scary.
I am now actually changing its Brittany bot to make the name. Okay, it's Brittany bot is taken. How about it is Brittany bot? That is not taken. It is Brittany bot. How about it's Brittany?
I messed
It's
up.
Brittany bots. It's Brittany bots, plural. Not taken.
I wonder if anyone in the chat is like screaming at me right now, like, what are you doing?
Hi, April. Oh my gosh, April's in the chat.
April!
Hello.
Thank you for coming through.
We are making, oh my gosh, a Hanson bot called Bot. Enter Kilgannon. Wow.
What would a Hanson bot do?
It would
Hanson-
be like, Bot. Wait,
You know what? You have a good point.
that's what it does. It just tweets Bot. You know what? I could build that in addition to the Brittany bot. Okay, so if you're just joining us, we are figuring out the Unicode. So what's going to happen is if you, only people who watch the stream will know,
That's right.
if
Don't tell
you
anybody.
tweet at Badiana Grande, not Badiana, Batiana,
Body. Batiana.
with the correct set of emojis in the correct order, right? Or wait, yes, they have to be in the correct order.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because we don't want the opposite, the like nails on the other side.
It has to be the correct order. Has to
Then
match.
it will thank you next for you. Wait, what should I call it? It's Brittany Bots. It's Brittany Bot. BAWT is not taken.
But bot, I think bot 1 is fine. I mean, no one looks at the handle, do they?
It's Brittany Bot. How about two T's? Two T's,
I
like
that.
hot.
I like two T's. Like
Me
hot,
too.
yeah.
Okay. Everybody,
Two T's is very 90s.
welcome to the stage. It's Brittany Bot.
I think I can literally just put the emojis in.
I think
and
you
don't
can
have to
too.
worry
I was
about
gonna
Unicode.
say I don't think you need to do. I mean,
'Cause-
with the Unicode, it'll be readable. Well, that's a good question for people in the chat. I think, like, will it be more readable across different platforms with Unicode? I don't know. It's been a while since I've coded with emoji.
I do think we need to turn the text into a array. Like a text array so that we can parse it for this somewhere.
Wait. Oh, I see. Wait.
Like, we
But
need to turn the tweet text into an array based on
yes.
spaces, which is what we used to do. How did we
And we
used to do
don't want to
that?
do spaces in between it, though.
Right, no spaces. It's got to be right next to it, because a space makes it seem like, you have a really long arm.
Then I don't
Can I,
think. I think we only have to look for. Huh. I wonder if there's a function that we can call that's just like. You know how there's like dot string? Like, is there a dot emoji? I'm like, can we just see if there's an emoji in this string
how about
or
this? Check
array?
for emojis in a tweet. I guarantee someone has done this already. In a tweet, node.js.
In the meantime, I'm trying to choose a good image for
Node
Brittany.
emoji npm. What are you?
Yeah, BD Jeffy says just a string comparison, right? And then Adrian says, I think you can just use the match.
Just use match. Like, okay. So take out the regex and change it to. Wait, hold on. Let me think of how this does it. It used to pass in regex, so now it needs to check eyes, nails.
If anybody has a suggestion for what image I should use for It's Brittany bot, let me know. Sound off.
That should work, huh?
Yeah. Oh, voting code. You didn't ask, but I recently learned how to create a lorem ipsum generator, thinking of putting a Mean Girls and Clueless one. Yes, I love this. I think
That'd
that
be cool.
this needs to happen. There's a hipster lorem ipsum that I like to use on a lot of my projects. Adrian says no. Still needs to be a regex.
Wait. The emojis need to be in the regex? Is that allowed?
Yeah, I think so. It's just like a character, right? I think. Wouldn't that work? I feel like I. Can you search emojis? Oh, my dude.
What?
You know what the cover photo should actually be for
What?
no, sorry, not for Ariana, for Brittany is the Michael Scott It's Brittany bitch image.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's a NPM I found called Emoji Regex. It offers a regular expression to match all emoji symbols and sequences, including textual representations as per Unicode standard. Contains a script that generates this regular expression based on Unicode data. Because of this, the regular expression can be easily updated whenever new emoji are added.
Oh, we got raided. Hi.
By who?
By Allie. Ending with Allie, my pal Allie.
You got raided.
Hello. Oh my gosh. You're
That's
talking
exciting.
about us on your stream right now? What were you talking about? Brittany
Well,
bot?
I wanna see. Stop sharing my screen so I can read the chat.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we are talking about you on my stream right now.
Raid.
We're here.
Raid.
Raid. Oh my god.
Exclamation point.
Hi.
Exclamation
Allie
point.
said you were cool. We are cool.
Aw.
We're building Ariana Ariana Grande right now. It's an
That's
Ariana
true.
Grande bot.
Body,
I am
Bodiana.
simultaneously building a Britney Spears bot. It's Brittany bot. And pretty exciting stuff. Come join us on our journey. We're only an hour in.
And we've done so much.
We
Voting
have.
Code said, girl with her hand up and microphone. I feel like that works too. But the whole point is to reply, thank you next. So the sort of like
Yeah.
it's very dismissive,
And
and I
here's the
like
deal.
that attitude.
Here's the deal. People, only the people
Listen.
in this chat are going to know how to
Yeah.
use this bot. Because here's the
It's-
deal. Here's the deal.
Listen to her.
There's a secret emoji combo that you have to
Yeah.
use to
Uh-huh.
even know how this bot works. And the only people who are going to know how this works is the people who watch the stream. This is a bot for
Listen.
the people, okay?
If you guys tell people, I can't be held responsible for what Ariana Grande bot's gonna do.
We will take it off of Heroku because we can't afford it if it gets too popular, okay?
I will turn this bot right around
We will turn it around.
if you don't stop acting up in the back seat.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, hey guys.
Hi!
Wow. That was
Okay,
weird. My screen just went blank for a while. That was
if you want to
crazy.
follow along in real time with me making my Britney Spears bot while we do this, let me link. Wait, what?
Yeah.
It's Britney
It's
bot with two
Britney
T's.
Botst.
Twitter.com/it's Britney bot.
I gotta check out this emoji regex because, like, that's pretty rad.
So, Allie, to answer your question, if you tweet, oops, I'm showing the wrong thing. If you tweet at Badiana Grande, it's not hosted yet, but the idea is if you tweet at Badiana Grande with the emoji combo, what was it? Nails, eyes, or eyes, nails?
Eyes, nails.
Eyes, nails. Then it will respond in the thread, thank you next. It's the same code essentially as our Shania Twain bot, which if you tweet at Shania bot with impressed, anything with the word impress, then yeah. But people will see and do it, lol.
Vogan Code, April was saying the girl with the microphone for Britney bot. But Britney Bot's actually we were thinking of having a different function entirely for Britney Bot.
Yeah, Britney Bot's just going to be an Azure Logic app, I think. That just it's similar to the origins of Shania. Because she's kind of like, I don't know if you watched the Britney documentary, April, but Britney is refusing to perform until her father lets go of her conservatorship. So this is to commemorate the Free Britney movement. Okay. Should I share? I'm going to share your screen again, Peach.
Yeah, I'm looking at this emoji regex thing that I might be able to put on.
And I just shared Britney Bot in the chat. If people want to follow that, I'm in the process of simultaneously. Should I share my screen simultaneously as I look for Britney images from this computer?
It's just going to be so much. Okay. So much.
We don't want to overwhelm the people.
I mean, we could, They can see their chat if they'd like.
Okay.
Let's see. So, do I need to install this? Adrian, do I need to install this?
I think Adrian was saying, like, you can just do a regex expression, but look for the emojis.
Just look for the emojis in a regex expression? Okay.
Okay, April, I can tell that you have not watched the documentary. If you're saying bald girl, you gotta watch the doc. No, backpedal. I empathize for Britney shaving her head. I now know why. I get it.
And even, like, did you see the thing where it was, like, I think it was a Reductress article, and it was a Justin Timberlake apologizes to girlfriend, and now Britney knows what it's like to be every late 30s woman when her high school boyfriend apologizes to her.
Oh, the accuracy. Oh, you did. Okay. Yeah. Good. I'm glad you watched. Because I was going to, like, text you and be like, girl, you have to watch this. April, I would love to know your theories on the domination, what was it? Domination tour announcement thing. I'm just sitting here gagged. Like, was this a political statement or was it bad marketing? I need to know what that Vegas announcement was. Okay, I'm going to share your screen again, PJ. Is that cool?
What is happening on this website right now? Definitely share my screen because I don't know what's going on here. Why do I have to highlight to see?
Oh, I've been to this website before and it was confusing.
I can't deal with this. I'm out of here. No, thank you.
Can't deal.
All right, how to regex.
So right now on my computer, I'm currently taking the image of Michael Scott that says it's Britney swear word and putting it's Britney bot for the cover photo. Graphic design, as we know, is my passion.
It's Britney swear word.
This is also a project I'm doing for work, so I want to keep it a little clean.
Got it. Kids. Yeah, the kids can't see the B word. Brad.
I mean, Paige, you work with high schoolers.
Right.
You work with B words.
What is she? She said, "What is regex? Regex is a regular expression, and it's a string literal, and everyone who ever works with it says it's silly, and
people either love it or hate it. Like, it's a way of searching different. Like, we learned it on Hackbright, and it still just hearing the word regex makes me, because people either love it and they do, like one of my coworkers, Bridget, she does the regex crossword every day.
Ooh.
But I have to relearn it every time that I use it. But it's a really, really great magical tool if and when you do know how to use it to like search for different keywords and terms, and also in databases, different arrays, and it's really great.
We used it to search for the word impress or any word that starts with impress for Shania bot. And now we're using it anytime it sees eyes, nails, it's going to be like, boom. So we let eyes, nails equal the regular expression eye emoji, nail emoji. We've got the variable str equals text. And up here you can see text is the text of the tweet based on the Twitter API. Let impressive, which we need to change impressive, I just realized, to something Ariana related. Let Pete Davidson is a loser, LOL, XOXO. I need another Ariana Grande reference, another song for it.
Wait, this is for what?
This is for Ariana Grande.
Yeah, but what are you using this for?
Oh, this becomes the array. It's either the text matches eyes, nails, or an empty array, and then it creates the variable God is a woman with impressive, which is either
gotcha
or the empty array, as long as it's a length greater than 0, and then that creates this is our boolean.
Okay.
To check if this was in the tweet.
Gotcha. And we're trying to name.
Impressive is the thing we need to change.
Oh, how about I got it. I want it, I got it. Wait, we got comments from... Oh yeah, look, April said the same thing. Twinsies.
Did she? I want it, I got it. That's actually, that works because it's like, I want it, I got it. It's true.
Adrian said, I think you want to add the G to the end of that regex.
Good point, thank you. The G means it's good. The G stands for gabagool.
I need to show you what I just made, y'all, in a very professional
Please
manner.
Stop sharing my screen and share your screen. I gotta see this.
No, I'm just gonna hold it up for everyone to see.
Get to it like this.
It's Brittany bot.
It's.
That's the cover photo I'm using for the bot. Graphic design is my passion.
What a good night this is.
Adrian says global.
Global where?
Chloe. Yeah, I know.
Gabagool. The Sopranos way of pronouncing capicola.
Okay, what did I save this as? 3.
Our error message is one taught me pain.
People don't appreciate the hard work and effort we put into naming. Naming is important.
Adrian, get ready. I was teaching The Great Gatsby today. And I was telling funny jokes, and all my AP kids were sitting there with like sad faces. And I go, listen, guys, I think you're forgetting that I'm hilarious. I need you to remember that I'm funny.
When you search It's Brittany B, the first 100 images are Michael Scott from The Office. It's not even Britney Spears.
That single scene is a masterclass in what Steve Carell did well. His little awkward hitch of a pause, and you can see the character deciding to actually say it, is amazing. It's brilliant. That's the zenith for me, is that episode and that line. The whole show.
I'm trying to take a screenshot. So my favorite GIF of Brittany is her turning around and reacting. So I'm trying to get
Hold on, wait.
This perfect one? Screenshot. Yeah, where they're like, "Who is it?"
And then she just keeps turning.
Okay, I think I got the perfect shot. Okay, I will share my screen in a second, y'all.
The Great Botsby. Yes, I'll
The
stop
Great
him.
Bots. Wait, what
The
would the
Great
Great
Botsby.
Botsby say?
The Great Botsby? He would
Yeah.
just call everyone old sport.
Wait, we should build that.
We can't keep building bots. We can't keep building
Bye,
bots.
April. We're
Thank
gonna
you
be
for coming
couch
through.
potatoes in a little bit too, probably.
I am a school potato.
Okay, it's Brittany Bot officially has
Check
branding.
Text. I wanted, I got it.
Look at this branding. It's Brittany Bot.
It's Brittany Bot. That's amazing. I still have to put the Great Botsby.
The Great Botsby.
Listen, someone write it down, make a note somewhere.
The cover photo is the green light from the Baz Luhrmann one. Yeah, I love it.
The cover photo should be Leonardo DiCaprio's face on a robot.
Oh my gosh, Brittany Bot has 2 followers. So excited.
Oh, y'all so good. How many does Ariana Grandebot have?
Batiana Grande.
Grandiana.
Batiana.
Grande Auntie Body.
Hold on. I don't know how to spell it yet. Is it 1T? Batiana Grande. Yeah. I'm following now.
I need this.
It's Brittany Bot just followed Batiana Grande.
Oh my god, that is so...
Oh.
I can't believe they learned how to do that. Our machine learning is so good.
Our machine learning's wild.
I need to rename my repo. Options.
Batiana. Wait, should I not be sharing?
No, this is fine. This is just my GitHub stuff.
Batiana Grande.
You can see, I think at one point I tried to clone your Mario Kart astrology when we had first met, and I didn't know how to do it, so it's just there, like, what do you want to do with me? And I'm like, please, don't show me my failure.
Kill me.
Kill me. Alright. Ariana Grande, Shania, proc file, package lock, package config, git ignore, git.
Okay. While you're doing that, I think I can now make my Logic app for Brittany.
I think I'm just going to get on GitHub. See if I can rename it there.
Okay. I'm going to...
By the way, I don't know if you saw, I streamed with Daniel.
I did!
Daniel and Shreya.
What did you all do?
I was like helping them test something for Bit Project, where you learn how to use GitHub while learning how to code at the same time.
Nice.
It was really cool. It was really neat. And that's it. That's the end of my story.
I'm setting a stopwatch, and I'm going to time how long it takes me to make Brittany Bot. Wait, I hit exercise. I don't want to exercise Fitbit. I want to stopwatch. Okay. And go. Okay. It's Brittany Bot. Can I share your screen again, PG?
Yeah, I think I'm just making a new branch called
Adrian said, I just tested that match and it should work.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Adrian.
And if you don't need the G because you just need to know if it exists.
Okay, cool. Let's get that out of there. Save some runway there, you know? We don't want to be using up all that daters. Okay, so I'm going to publish that to that branch. Test 1 initial. See above description.
My Logic app is brewing.
My GitHub skills, don't judge me based on this because I'm not working in any kind of team. This is just me naming branches whatever I want and using worst practices. You've heard of best practices? Get ready. Alright, Chloe codes things. No! For some reason, I'm trying to merge to your Let's Go Girls, and that's not what I want to do at all.
Is that how we shared it? So maybe it's a different Let's Go Girls?
That is the original Let's Go Girls, because we weren't doing source control. And then you finally made this, but then that's how I was able to get the code. I just forked from you. I don't want to create the pull request. I want to...
Adrian's saying, did you change the remote?
The remote?
Yeah.
What is that?
So I think what
I'm literally a
happened here.
child.
No, no, it's okay. Let's see. Did you fork Let's Go Girls? Or did
I
you
forked
clone
Let's
it?
Go Girls from you, and
Okay.
then I cloned it. So I have my own Let's
You
Go
cloned
Girls
it.
that yeah, I have my own Let's Go Girls that I've been doing. Like you can see right here, this is mine.
Okay, so you need to change the origin, according to Adrian here. I think that's what's happened. Yeah. It's totally fine. Git is really confusing when you're first starting out, especially when you're like not working on a team, but you are working on a team.
Uh,
So I
what do you
think
mean change the origin?
so. Let's see. So you want to get it into like a new repo.
A new repo. Okay.
So you want it to go to a new repo.
Oh.
So right now, this exists as so we just want to basically make like I think I think what we can do is you have the code locally, right?
I have it locally, yeah.
I would just make a new repo for it.
Okay. That's going to be hard for me too. But let me go ahead. Okay, so if I have this code locally, let me go to this source control.
And I am going
View mode, commit, refresh,
Designer.
use pull, push, clone, checkout to commit, changes, pull, push, branch, remote. What is so? Were you saying I needed to do something with the remote, or was that a previous
So
idea?
go back and create the repo. So you're doing it right. Um,
But create the repo first.
yeah, create a new repo.
Okay, new repo. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's see. I am just making our Brit
I already
here.
have a git ignore MIT license. I love adding the MIT license to like stupid stuff I've made, like my Codecademy practice where I made like a ASC2 monster maker. And I was like, yes, MIT license. Okay, empty repo called Ariana. It's got a license and a README. That's it.
Okay. Sorry. I am just zooming out on this. Why isn't
Thanks
this
for
working?
helping.
Sorry. I'm just having a heck of a time with my work computer. Okay. So, so Adrian said, make it empty. It's not empty. It has two files.
Oh, dang. All right.
So
Delete.
basically, we're gonna like commit what you have locally into this.
Right, how do I delete? It's so funny, like my brain like just doesn't.
We can probably,
Hold on.
yeah.
Let me see if I can figure this out. Settings. No, that's not going to do it. Code.
Choose a template. Twitter.
Twitter. Got it.
Okay. Wait, he said, no, wait, no. No one is paying attention to the chat.
Well, I can't. I don't have a
Okay.
second monitor yet.
So I think all you have to do is just like you've created the repo. So now, but I think what Adrian is saying that wait, license, readme, yeah,
I have to
yeah,
delete
under
this.
code. Okay, so go to see the green button.
Yeah.
So go there,
Yeah.
and you can grab. Here, I'm gonna unshare this for a second. Grab SSH, and then you can do it locally.
What?
So grab the value from
Oh, okay. All right.
and then go to remote in Visual Studio.
And then add remote.
Yes. Wait, but make sure that you grab the SSH value and not the HTTPS one. It's kind of confusing. Git is really confusing when you first start with it. It's like,
Okay, so SSH says
can
I
I
don't
share?
have any. Yeah, you should be
Okay.
able to share. It says you don't have any public SSH keys. You can add a new public key or try cloning. Oh. So I have to add a key first.
Let's see.
And then I should not be sharing anything, right?
Yes.
Got it. But right now, this is fine, right? Look in the chat, because I don't
Wait,
want to...
have you ever, this is a good question to ask. Have you ever, like, done Git remotely, like from the terminal or anything? Have you set that up yet?
I've never done any kind
Oh,
of terminal. I've only been
cool.
using GitHub Desktop.
Great. This is okay. This makes so much more sense. We should pause and have our next, like, we should learn this either on the
Okay.
show or offline. And actually, Sarah Guthels has a whole series that she just did on Git that we should check out.
I felt like Git stupid because I only know how to use GitHub Desktop stuff.
That's, you know what? That makes a lot of sense because in Hackbright, in our boot camp, so there's a whole different experience, and this is really, really good to learn now versus like on the job. Because I think that the hardest like hurdle to get over when you're first starting as a junior developer is figuring out Git. And like literally the advice that I got from so many people was like, figure out Git before you start. Like, so I think this is we've been streaming for an hour and a half. We'll pause
It's true.
here.
I do need to go to sleep.
Let's save what we have, and then you and I, actually, we should talk to Brandon too. Maybe this is a good stream thing to do even all together. Get is rough, yeah.
Get
The
is
chat
rough.
is like, yes, agreed. Get is rough.
Yeah, Ender Kilgannon is a good Twitter person too. So like, I agree,
And basically, so this is what you need to know. Don't get too scared. You'll figure it out. It's a big learning curve, but when we did Hackbright, like we had only been using Git personally, really. So like we were using Git to commit our stuff, but we weren't like working with other people. Then you start adding other people and different forks and clones, and it can get really messy. So I actually think either doing a session on it or at least talking about it next time will be good, because for a lot of junior devs, this is exactly why we do this show, right? Like, how do you know what you're not supposed to know if you like?
we do this show to get this show canceled.
Yes. Yeah, that is exactly.
I'm gonna check out that Dr. Guthels.
I want to check it out
right?
too, because I always need reviews on Git as well, because I'm not like constantly in Git all the time. But this will be good because you can actually, like, Git is better than the other options. It's easy if it's taught well. That's very, very true.
Oof.
Yeah. Oh, I still need this bot. Just saying.
Oh
my
yeah.
gosh, I got distracted with Brittany bot. Okay, it's in
We
the
got
early stages.
The Great Gats bot and the bot, and we're gonna make notes of both of these.
We're gonna make notes.
We are going to be bot central.
We are.
You want gimmicks? Too bad, because we're serious developers.
We're very serious here, and we're just like building. I even had an idea that I shared before we went live that was all about how to get Brittany bot to combine the powers of Shania bot and Ariana Grande to work in tandem with each other. It's a whole bot Illuminati.
Like a female power singer Megazord, they will combine and work together.
Illuminati.
Illuminati?
Ariana Grande. Okay, it's late. Okay, but next week, so between now and next week, I'm gonna send you, you know what? I'm just gonna share it in the chat right now because I should share this.
Is this Dr. Guthels?
Yes. Let's see. It is, I bet she's tweeted about it recently.
The Spice Girls of bots. Oh man.
Ooh.
That's true. When all of our bots tweet at the same time, it's the Spice Girls.
Bot up your life.
Bot up of your life. When to become bot.
Look at this. Perfect. Dr. Guthel's branching a Git repo can make collaboration with code much easier, but what happens when you get a dreaded merge conflict?
Oh,
Tomorrow,
no.
we're learning how to branch and merge. Literally, she's been doing a series about this, so I'm going to drop this
bot.
in the chat. Oh,
I
wait.
love it.
This is a Learn TV link. Hold on.
Hold on. Everyone,
Hold up.
back to one, please.
Okay. This is for the live stream. Okay, I'm just going to drop Sarah's Twitter in the chat, and y'all can follow her and see. Combined to become Diva's bot. Yeah, Diva's live bot.
Divas
I love.
bot. All right, we gotta end this show.
Cool,
Y'all the
y'all. We'll see you
best.
next
Thank
week.
you.
We're gonna
Thank you so much for
teach
coming.
PJ how to get it together.
Make sure you're following Chloe. Make sure you're following me. Subscribe if you like us. She's at Chloe Condon on Twitch. I'm at Metzing Around on Twitch. Follow us on Twitter. Tell us you love us. We really crave attention, guys.
We're gonna get it together. GIT.
We're gonna bot it together.
Oh, this is so exciting, PJ.
Adrian, which 50%?
He doesn't like the high school or the
That's right. That's
junior
true.
high
He
version.
doesn't like freshman.
But this is so exciting. Like you're gonna learn Get. This is huge. This is like a big deal.
I thought I knew, but
Thought
I didn't even know what I didn't know, which is a very low place to start.
This is the same reaction I feel like I got when you're like, I'm sorry, what, whiteboarding? What?
What do you mean? Like, yeah, no, I have one, and I write notes on it, and the kids, they write it down. I say, green light equals symbol, and they go, oh, and they write it down.
Do you want to play us out with a soundbite?
I can do that.
Okay.
Hold up. My volume was so low because I was playing music a second ago.
Okay.
Shady.
We're going to end it. Bye, fam.
Bye!